At a press briefing on the 4th of May 2023, Cabinet Minister and Spokesperson of the Meghalaya government, Paul Lyngdoh, had responded to various queries regarding Aadhaar enrolment by citizens of Meghalaya.
Last week itself, I had a video conference with the Union Minister, Smriti Irani, the Minister in charge, and we spoke at length. A major concern here, as rightly pointed out by Mr. Champliang, is the low rate of enrollment of Aadhaar, especially among the children. So this is an area of concern. We are requesting, in fact I have made a personal request to the Minister in charge, that as of date the Aadhaar registration in Meghalaya is 71%, but in the course of probably the next 6 months or so, the figures will go up and we will be in a position to optimize the benefits of whatever schemes come from the central government to us.
On the ongoing ethnic clashes in Manipur, Paul Lyngdoh informed that the Chief Minister of Manipur, N. Biren Singh, had assured his Meghalaya counterpart, Conrad K. Sangma, of safety of all professionals, students or travellers of Meghalaya who are currently lodged in his state.
In view of the ethnic conflict that is currently going on in Manipur, the CM today spoke to his counterpart, the Chief Minister of Manipur, and he was given a very firm assurance that the safety of Meghalayans is also his priority, and there is no cause for worry where students or professionals or travellers from Meghalaya and Manipur are concerned.
The students of the different institutes, we are also making arrangements as a state government to try and evacuate our students at the earliest from there so that they can come back safely. We are making arrangements in terms of different transportation, especially air transportation, so that we can safely and quickly bring back our students back to our state. And we are also working on creating a permanent number, call center or a helpline number where the parents and the students can call on a 24-hour basis if they require any help or if any urgent matter is there. And I would like to urge the students studying in Manipur, students from Meghalaya who are studying in Manipur, and the parents of the students also, that please don't panic, be calm. We are monitoring the situation continuously. We are in touch with the Manipur government continuously, and we are making and taking all steps possible to immediately ensure that we are able to, as quickly as possible, evacuate and bring our students back to Meghalaya, and we'll watch the situation carefully. As the situation gets under control, then we can decide on the further course of action. Thank you.